Being a researcher in an institute like the Technion, which is probably among the top technological institutes in the world, it will be only natural that someone will try to marry technology with scientific research. And we developed several technologies that change the way sleep medicine is practiced. One of our developments was electronic mustache that allows someone to test himself whether he has sleep apnea or not. This mustache is taped below the nose. With the electronic mustache, we have sensors that sense the airflow. And once they detect that there is a cessation of airflow, they make a count. So if you put it throughout the night, it counts each time you stop breathing and accumulate the number of events. And if it passes a threshold, then it raises a flag or a blinking light saying, go and see your doctor. Other technologies were developed to do measurements outside the sleep clinic. One is to take a device the size of a wristwatch, we call it a watchpad, and the patient take it home, put it on his finger. We use blood flow in the finger, the pattern of blood flow, the speed of blood flow, the volume of blood flow, in order to tell us everything we wanted to know about sleep. I can pick from the finger the moment someone is falling asleep, someone is in a dreaming sleep, in a deep sleep, light sleep, when he wake up, and when he stop breathing. And if indeed he has breathing disorders in sleep, we can do the cardiac test with the EndoPAT in order to see how severe it is. And these two devices are now commercially available all over the world and were developed in the sleep laboratory.